Hi all, this is Steve Money, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the euro and the pound versus the US dollar, and slightly shifting tones in here for these two currencies. The euro signaling a strong recovery effort through last week, and particularly this surge we saw on Friday to push above 111.89, neutralizing this whole sell-off post Brexit in here from 114.26 down to 109.10, and that shifts the intermediate term outlook from previously bearish to now more of a neutral range environment, and we see that broader range now defined by 114.26 and 109.50 going into August. But this strong rebound from last week does leave an upside bias within that range environment to the higher end of the range, maybe up through 112.00 early this week, closer to 114.26, and potentially even a more bullish shift into August. So shifting from bearish to neutral on an intermediate term outlook and risk to the upper end of the range environment going into the first part of August. Let's contrast that to the pound versus the US dollar in here. Still very much confined within a narrow range environment, unable to rebound post Brexit. And we saw this significant sell-off in the next down leg lower, and that leaves a negative bias, certainly looking for potential back lower towards 127.91 as we go into August, with any kind of rebound efforts capped off below resistances. Strong resistance up here around 136.42, the retracement level, but even below 134 to 134.50, and that leaves a negative tone for cable, certainly for a negative range environment at best, and more likely for a push lower going into August towards 127.91, the cycle low. This has been Steve Money, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.